beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing the unboxing of the Glossybox March box. This is what she looks like. If you are new here, by the way, hello, welcome. I'm Luce Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, don't forget to hit subscribe, please, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so I know to do more Glossybox unboxings for you in the future as well. If you are new, by the way, I upload on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays and Sundays, so I'll hopefully see you one of them days. Turn that notification bell on so you don't miss any future videos. And let's just get straight into this box. This box was very kindly gifted to me from Glossybox, so thank you so much. Absolutely honoured that they reached out to me to send me this box, and they also sent me February's box as well, which just blows my mind. I also have a discount code. So if you use the discount code LuceS, I will leave it linked down below so you can just copy and paste it straight away. You'll get your first box for £11. Let's just get straight into it. So this is what it looks like. And of course we have the little leaflet that comes with it as well, showing all the goodies that are inside. So there's 5 items in this month's box. So it just looks like this. Let's start with the first one. So this is from the brand Figs and Rogue, which I haven't actually heard of before, but this is a blurring primer. So it's a satin soft blurring primer and finishing fix, and it says Ultra Prime on it. So it says it basically will kind of blur any kind of imperfections or large pores that you've got on your skin, and it has a liquid blotting finishing complex, which basically absorbs any kind of excess oil that you might have to give you that kind of matte kind of correction to the skin. And this is actually full size, and I love that the Glossybox write in how much this stuff's worth, so you know, like, obviously I'm not familiar with this brand, so I wouldn't know that this is actually worth £38, which is crazy. Let me know if you want to do a video testing this on TikTok, by the way. I'd be more than happy to do that. Next up we have another full-size product. This is from Nails Inc. It's one of their nail varnishes. This one is in the shade Palace Gardens. Seems like everyone got the same shade for this, and this retails for £11. So yeah, this is just what it looks like. Then if you remember rightly from last month's video that I did, they had a little sneaky preview of what was in this month's box, and this was the little sneaky preview. So this is the full-size Nourishing Mascara, and this is again from a brand that I'm not familiar with, but I'm all up for trying new brands. This is the Beautyniq Beauty Mascara, and this retails for £15.50, so more value than the box would be if you use my code to get it for £11. And it says that it's intensely volumizing. It's meant to thicken, lengthen and add curls for bigger, fuller looking lashes, and it has richer conditioning ingredients in it as well, so almond oil to kind of help to strengthen and maximise the length of your lashes. It has an oversized brush as well to kind of grip and coat every single lash. So again, if there's anything in here that you want me to try in a TikTok, let your gal know. And then next up we have a complexion sponge. This is from the brand So Eco, and if I remember rightly, we got this in a box. I got this in a box. I don't know if it was, I don't think it was Glossybox. I think it might have been Look Fantastic. I could just be making that up, I'm not gonna lie. And this retails for £6, but I remember thinking this is so soft, and it's, oh no, I love green as well, so you can never have enough sponges because mine are always dirty, so thank you very much. And then the last one was a Nyx product. So this varies for each box, and it also varies in regards to what the actual product is and obviously the shade. So you can get a full size one or you can get a deluxe size one. It's basically a lucky dip. So the kind of the RRP is from £4 onwards, because obviously it depends which one you get. So it looks like you could literally get a gloss, you could get a liquid highlighter, I think that looks like. It's literally anything from Nyx as well that you could get. It could be a product for your lips, or it could be a highlighter for your face from the sounds of it. And for us, we got a kind of glitter liquid lipstick. There you go. Actually, you can see the sparkle in there, can't you? That is cute. I'm not actually going to open this because I'll end up putting this into a giveaway for you guys, because I have so many liquid lipsticks that I will literally never ever use up, and this wouldn't really be a glittery one, wouldn't be one that I would naturally reach for over a matte one. So I'm going to put this into a giveaway for one of you beautiful people. But yeah, that is literally everything that I got in this month's Glossybox. Really impressed, especially when you can get this for £11 with my code as well. I mean, that primer is worth £38. And it sounds amazing, like a micro blurring silicone free formula, blurs imperfections and banishes shine, smooth skin, fixes foundation to keep complexion freshly flawless, pore minimizing, anti-blemish action, reduces skin impurities and breakouts. It's made in the UK. we need to test this. We need to test this out in a TikTok. So if you want me to do that, please let me know down below. But yeah, that is everything that you get in this month's Glossybox. I'll hopefully will see you in a new video very soon. Love you so much. Bye guys. Thank you so much to my patrons as well for being absolutely lovely. I love you so much. Peace out.